Awning window installation in Vestavia Hills, AL, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles available, including aluminum, vinyl, and wooden options, residents can find the perfect match for their home design. Awning Windows Birmingham contractors offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. For those in need of awning window installation in Vestavia Hills, our team of experts provides comprehensive services to restore your windows to their original condition. Whether it's fixing hardware or replacing parts, our skilled technicians are equipped to handle all your installation needs. Awning Windows Birmingham professionals also emphasize the importance of maintenance to prolong window lifespan and maintain energy efficiency. Custom awning windows in Birmingham offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home with designs that reflect your style. Our suppliers in Vestavia Hills provide a wide range of options, from traditional to modern designs. Awning Windows Birmingham consultations are available to help you choose the best fit for your home, ensuring your new windows meet both aesthetic and functional needs. Energy-efficient awning windows in Vestavia Hills are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Services like insulation and sealing, offered by Awning Windows Birmingham specialists, enhance window performance and comfort throughout the year. Upgrades in Birmingham, Alabama, can further improve your home's energy efficiency. Awning window replacement in Birmingham, Alabama, is a straightforward process with the help of experienced contractors. Our team provides detailed estimates and quotes to ensure transparency and affordability. Whether you're replacing old windows or upgrading, Awning Windows Birmingham services are designed to meet your specific needs. Awning window cleaning in Vestavia Hills, AL, is an important aspect of maintaining functionality and appearance. Regular cleaning prevents issues like dirt buildup and hardware malfunctions. To enhance function, Awning Windows Birmingham also includes screen options to keep insects out while letting fresh air in. For those interested in accessories, Awning Windows Birmingham offers a variety of enhancements to boost both look and functionality. From decorative hardware to practical parts, there's something for every preference. Birmingham's varied awning window styles help homeowners complement their home's architecture perfectly. Awning window services in Vestavia Hills, AL, include installation, maintenance, and upgrades. Our expert team delivers top-tier service to ensure your windows remain beautiful and functional. With support from Awning Windows Birmingham, you'll have reliable service and lasting results. For top-notch installation in Vestavia Hills, AL, look no further. Our Awning Windows Birmingham contractors provide expert service, ensuring your custom windows are installed with care. From aluminum to vinyl awning windows, we specialize in energy-efficient solutions to improve insulation and cut energy costs. If you need installation in Vestavia Hills, our skilled technicians are ready to help. From sealing to maintenance, we provide complete service. Trust our team of Awning Windows Birmingham experts in Vestavia Hills, AL, for top-quality installation and care. Explore our broad selection of awning window styles and designs in Birmingham. Our suppliers in Vestavia Hills offer everything from wood to custom designs. With Awning Windows Birmingham consultations, You'll get expert guidance tailored to your home's style. For those considering replacement in Birmingham, Alabama, we deliver reliable service and competitive pricing. Our experienced Awning Windows Birmingham contractors ensure you receive top value whether you're upgrading or replacing existing windows. Boost your home's exterior with stylish accessories from Awning Windows Birmingham. From screens to hardware, we provide everything to customize and upgrade your windows for better functionality and aesthetic. Routine cleaning and maintenance in Vestavia Hills, AL, are key to longevity. Our team ensures your windows stay clean and efficient. With Awning Windows Birmingham installation services, your home stays comfortable and energy efficient all year long. Contact us today for expert consultations in Vestavia Hills, AL. From installation to upgrades, Awning Windows Birmingham professionals are ready to serve all your needs. Let our services enhance your home with beautiful, functional windows.